SolidEngineer. Inspiration to success.
I was driving home from work one day and I saw this snow mud on the road, and I thought, why not an electric road replacing that snow mud, so I can charge my electric car and I can have less batteries and the car will be much cheaper, so I can actually afford to buy it.
Elonroad is a startup company from the south of Sweden, and we are our name. We do electricity on road to enable range happiness instead of range anxiety.
So the idea behind the whole company is that we are providing a solution in which electric cars can get charged on the go. So you don't have to actually stop and charge the car. You can do it while you're driving. And Elonroad is providing this massive infrastructure. Once we have this installed on the roads, an electric car user does not have to stop or make stops a lot in between the journey. They can actually get their cars charged while it is moving. We have a lot of different designs that we have to make. And without SolidWorks, I don't think we would have been able to make so much progress, because that's how important SolidWorks is.
The 3D experience platform has helped us to come into a scale-up mode. We are now going from a concept and technology development into product development, and we have a need of synchronizing the different engineering fields such as mechanics, power electronics, and software. And SolidWorks helps us in structuring that.
SolidWorks has this amazing feature, 3D experience, in which we can communicate between the teams and, of course, communicate our ideas in an effective way. So we use PDM system to take approvals for the drawings, for keep tracking of all the files that we have, to make the whole process streamlined.
And also growing into a true supply chain and being able to deliver larger projects, we see that we will be able to grow with the 3D platform with our suppliers. The future for Elonroad is, of course, that we want to be an important piece of the puzzle in decarbonization of the transport sector. And we see there's a huge potential in adding on charging as a service and charging as you go. There will be a need for the stationary chargers, there will be a need for hydrogen gas, but there will also be a huge need for electric road systems.